Hey, what's up guys, it's Shavalicious here, and I'm doing a vlog, but yeah, I think I'm running late, so I had to run to my bus. Man, this place is like straight out of a horror movie. Yeah, getting that good angle, dude. We get that good angle. The most awkward couple in the whole entire school. Hey, but they wearing matching shoelaces. Relationship goals. Swan eating pizza. He's gonna get in trouble by the popos. And then I'm gonna record it and laugh at him. Guys, I'm telling you, Ivan never dresses ever. Whenever I'm here, he never dresses.
It's like my third time not dressing.
Ivan, don't lie.
It is.
Don't lie. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. Austin, you're gonna miss this because you suck. Austin, quit sucking. Austin. Let me show you how it's done, dude. You can shoot it once, God. Yeah. Yeah. As you can see, we have the basketball class over here doing what they're supposed to, playing some basketball. And then we have the volleyball class. And what?
Yes. What are you playing?
I'm playing Best Fiends.
Oh, with the wombo combo.
No, dude, check this out. Check this shit out.
Alright.
It's gonna happen. Move out of the way. Wait for it. Oh, shit. Have a seat, Ivan. Volleyball. Sucks. Get out of here. Leaving this place. I'm never coming back. Never. I'm back. And I'm better than ever before. Ready? Yeah. Let me in. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We just got out of volleyball class, and now we gotta head to homeroom when the bell rings. Yeah. Isn't that right, George? Isn't that right?
Doing?
Where's Jay's at? Jay's. Them Jay's. Look at him. Ew. He's one of those guys. Yes. They wonder why we're late to class. I wonder why. U.S. history. No. We got locked out. Let us in. Let us in. Gather around the campfire, sing songs, camp songs, camp.
This is better, dude.
No, Mikey. No.
Look at this.
No, you can't do that. No, Mikey.
Tell it. You're telling on me? You're telling me?
God, Mikey, quit fucking everything up for everyone. Oh, there you go. Is this a cool group? I want to be in this. Oh, ew. Yeah. Yeah. Ew. Fuck. Who do you think you are? This is my domain. This little house. Get out of my house. Give me love, give me love, give me love. Fucking Mikey. Fucking Mikey, god damn it. Fucking Mikey, god damn it. What the fuck is this shit? Okay. Now we're in video productions. Sup.
Like my outfit?
Yeah, it's not bad actually.
I'm eating chicken. Me and my cousin Tyler used to listen to Strickland. Play Dragon Ball Z, like, I gotta go pee.
That's their point. We gotta realize. Shut up!
Oh shit, dude.
I was here before you were, France. Don't you dare try to kick me off of this bed! No! No!
Oh yeah, wait, I'll show you.
I didn't make the outro, so I'm gonna make it now. And look, I'm orange. I hate this lighting. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It lets me know whether or not you guys are enjoying the videos and stuff. Comment down what you thought, you know. Like, I seriously, I love the comments. If you guys, like, I like talking to you guys and interacting through the comments and stuff. And, of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We're almost at that 800 mark, so excited. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.